Yellow boots from behavior, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. As we start with journaling as self care, the first we cover is gratitude journaling. Gratitude is defined as what you are grateful for, the feeling of gratefulness. To begin with, brain is a trainable organ. And even if we keep aside the law of attraction, there have been scientific studies that have shown that gratefulness has a positive impact on the overall well being of any individual. Speaking of gratitude journaling, apart from verbally showing your gratitude, is has its benefit as it involves more function of the human body. The best is to take a paper and a pen and write it down, but also possible mediums are making notes on the cell phone, using an app, recording a voice note, are used in current time for convenience. The benefit that it brings are seen in the area where an individual has anxiety, stress, is seen beneficial with depression and trauma patients in general as well as certain medical conditions. Journaling gratitude is seen as a helpful tool to better recovery. The benefits of journaling can be seen when it comes to gratitude are increased dopamine that brings happiness, improves optimism, reduces stress, creates better bonds, improves relationship, better physical health, improves sleep. Some studies show that it is good for your heart health, improves confidence and self image. In the course of life, it may be difficult at times to find things, situations, and people to be grateful for. However, in those moments, if you pay attention, there would be things around you, people around you that you still can be grateful to. And if not anything, just being there and bringing yourself in that moment might be helpful to figure out what you are grateful for. It is important to be honest and find things that you are genuinely grateful for than making up things that can be considered as to be grateful for. Questions that you can ask yourself are: what are the things that you have today? Who are the people you have? What they do for you that you are thankful for, that makes your life easier, better, happier? One can also be grateful for things that did not happen and saved you of something. Maybe the weather today is fine and you can be grateful for that. You caught a train or a bus on time, reached office school on time, completed a task with your skills, even if it's something regular and basic. Being grateful for amenities that you have, health of your body, gifts or surprises that you receive, places you have around you or can visit. That is one thing that you can be grateful for. And once you start, you will start seeing more things that you can be grateful for and are grateful for. The simplest way of gratitude journaling is to write three things that you are grateful for, either early in the morning as you wake up and start your day, or when you go down for rest at the end of the day. Also, other things that can be included into gratitude journaling are letter of gratitude. These are letters that you write to yourself or people or places, even things and situations. When you write a letter, you be more precise about what you are grateful for, how it helped you, what it brought for you. If you have somebody who cooks for you, can be grateful for that. You can include as many details as possible about how the food was, whether it was to your liking or how it tasted. If you were too hungry and needed that food, it made you feel loved, cared for, quenched your hunger, satiated your hunger. To the person, how they made you feel cared, loved, valuable. If it was the place that made you feel grateful, happy, you can write about the place. These letters can be kept to yourself or can be given to the person, or a simple note of thank you, or you made me feel loved, you made me feel cherished and cared for, may work as gratitude notes. A lot of time writing a lot of things might be difficult for an individual. At that times you can write the name of the things or note the concerned event in one word or one line, and draw or color something around it based on how you are feeling about it. Finding minimum of 3 things that you are grateful for every day can have a drastic impact on your overall health gradually. It is, however, not necessary to write every day. You can write alternative days or 3 to 4 times a week as you maintain your gratitude journal. Also, as we discussed before, it is not necessary to keep that to yourself. Sometimes, if you are writing about others, you may bring that to the person concerned. In my personal opinion, as we write about gratitude, we are writing about things we are thankful for, which makes us feel safe, helps the brain move on from survival mode and see the good and be happy, which gradually moves an individual to kindness and humanity based living. Also, this will help focus on what they can improve on and become a better individual as. It may be difficult in the beginning to start writing with a lot of questions, but once you start doing that, it gradually becomes easy. If you have any queries, please reach out. Have a good week ahead.